shows that I'm a little nervous.
All the way to Cherokee. Why we took so long though because there's snow literally everywhere. We just had to drive so slow. Try to take the scenic route. So we went to this mountain.
And then my ears popped and my ears got so
Our ears were popping.
Yeah. Tell me more.
So look, so we're here.
We made it back to the
So
road.
we made it.
And then taking their
So this is the same cabins we stayed at last time,
Literally the next one over.
but this one is way nicer. We're literally one door over, but this one looks like way better. Looks like it has newer cabinets or some paint on the cabinets. I can't tell. Newer, better floor. Smells better. Don't smell like computer dust like the last one. Charles said, "Oh, this one smells better," and she wasn't even in the last one. Ooh, caught you in a laugh, Traylon.
Now, if you want to watch the vlog.
How should I know what it smell like from the vlog? There's a whole lot more parking spots available this time. Tron, you see this? Last time we came, there literally wasn't no spots to the top.
Every level is packed.
Yeah, now it's like a whole bunch of spots. So they got the top blocked off because I guess they didn't clear it out. It's ice and snow. You ready to go on the casino and gamble?
Yeah.
Taking you going some money?
Yeah.
How much money did you bring?
$5.
Taking how much you bring?
Coca. He said 10.
Taking you got 100?
Yeah.
Oh, we ain't the only kids. Look behind y'all. We ain't the only one that brings their kids to the casino. So we're gonna go in here, see what we can find that's family friendly.
Might be hard to do here.
Might be hard to do. Our last place is closed for renovations. That's family friendly, so we gotta see that.
No, it's a lot to take in. It's the sign of knowing. Don't wait. Don't be scared when away. Paralysis, you stay at
the game. Trailer. Ooh, you're in a casino.
I'm breaking the rules.
What do you think? Look down there.
Gambling?
Yep.
I don't know. Hop off and go in.
See all the drinks down there too? Taking you at the casino?
I see why kids can't. There's a lot of people down there.
Uh-huh. People want a lot of money down there. Huh? Tron, what do you think about this? What do you think about this building?
Huh?
What do you think about this building?
He came on the side of me and grandma.
Taking you, be careful. Was he falling backwards?
Has he ever been on one?
Yeah. Get ready to get up at the top. She can say, whoa. She can say, what just happened? Look at him.
She loves it, don't she? No. Oh my God, it's this, what's it called? Tuscan Grill, gosh.
It's called
Bistro.
Yeah, Mama.
It's Bistro something grill. Get mommy's hand. Go over there, go get daddy. Go get him. Is the red part down? Oh my God, you feel like you're gonna like fall off of this. It's awful. Oh my God, why'd they take it down?
Because that was like a little Chinese show they was having.
Him need daddy help. Whoa. Daddy got it. Come on, let's go. No, go. Run, go.
Okay, so we're currently on our way to go find something to eat. We're having a hard time because everything's closed due to the weather. Right, guys? Right. So we'll update you guys whenever we find.
No, I was random. We just seen a dog. Interesting.
Come on. Come on. He has your coat for me. I love that food.
Trying to find the Selu Garden Cafe. Trying to chill over here, ain't it? Need that in my bedroom. Huh?
Take up the whole bedroom.
I like that. Chicken, what are you doing? Sitting down? Chilling?
I'm at the wobbling.
Oh. Long search for food. Alright, better come on. What's that next trip? What is it? Oh yeah, I like that. Nope. See y'all later, looking for the cafe. You feel the heat come off of it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That goes to sleep. That goes to sleep.
Heat. I like that. What do you think,
Free
Keegan?
hot chocolates over there.
Yeah, I'm about to go. And our restaurant destination is closed. I thought I was about to say, no, there's somebody in there. That's Charles' reflection.
Seriously?
Sad. What could have been. Everything's closed because of the weather, but it's not even that bad. Alright, when the alarm goes off, I'll be like, hey, what's her? Look, it's not supposed to close till... Where you see that at? 2:30.
Dinner is 7 to 11.
Where you on? Where you never gonna eat? Yeah, it is. I don't know what's up there. Sitting here chilling by the fire. I'm about to fall asleep. Trying to figure out what we want to eat. Trying what we eating. Our videos are like, what we're gonna eat for like 30 minutes, and then we finally gotta do something.
I'm literally probably going fast.
Is that right?
Better off that point.
So everything we was gonna do in the casino is closed due to the winter. Food line, we said forget it, we're gonna cook a meal in the room. Food line closed. So I guess it's gonna be McDonald's or Wendy's, huh?
Well, the McDonald's earlier, we're gonna get Wendy's.
That's ridiculous.
There's Arby's too, but it's probably closed.
That's ridiculous. Man.
Oh, it is. It is.
Yeah, Arby's is closed.
Oh my God. No, I was just kidding too. Look, they're walking in. They're walking in.
Let's go to Taco Bell. Closed. Wendy's it is. No other choices. Oh yeah, Wendy's for. Oh yeah, Wendy's for.
Because everything else is closed. So.
Everything is closed. Everything kid-friendly is closed in the casino. So.
Trying to order Pizza Hut and.
Our event for the night is eat as much food as possible. Kids is in the back seat sleep. See a new burger from Wendy's called a Carolina Classic. I'm guessing they only have it in North Carolina.
Oh,
That's coleslaw, chili, and patty.
Pizza Hut.
So we just found out where the last order Wendy's took.
I wonder why she said the light was off.
Yeah. We got lucky. You got the last order.
Oh my god, our Pizza Hut's probably been done.
After this, we're going to Pizza Hut. Because we're Americans. Now we're at Pizza Hut.
Closed.
Probably caught up.
Hey, it was for Tiffany board wine.
Hello, it was for Tiffany Bourgoin. What was?
This is obviously
The order?
like a...
Hey, it was for Tiffany Bourgoin.
You hear me? Bristol don't give you Parmesan packs anymore.
Why?
It's like a
Trying to
fucking
cheat.
shaker. And one day she was like, they're trying to go back to the pack.
I need space to find myself.
How's it feel to be back awake, Trauma? How's it feel to be back awake?
I'm hungry.
We got Wendy's and pizza.
My shirt.
Pigs. Try, what's the problem? Oh, they meant junior, didn't they?
Junior.
That's crazy.
Oh, that's solid.
Tegan, wake up. You want your food? Tegan abandoned his food. He wants to go to sleep. Watching the Lakers and Golden State.
Here, Cherokee room.
Oh, wow. Where's it at?
They forgot it.
Caught that live on camera. I guess they did.
Why are you gonna sit right here?
Because I was in here
You
first.
gonna sit over there?
Trying, why do you gotta sit right here? We're pigging out. And Tegan is missing out. And Tron's crushing him.
Well, that's because he's squishing me in one.
Oh, poor thing. Tron, what are you laughing at? Hers look like a breast from Olive Garden.
She's crying.
Tron, you're laughing this hard because you got a cheese stick with cheese and your mom got plain one.
No.
Is that even not one of
They
them?
got all bread and I got cheese.
You're at the one end.
And that caused you to laugh a 10 out of 10? Get over here.
Look,
Crying and farting and burping, is that serious?
look at the cheek.
Got me about to trip trying to record this tears.
Let me see your sauce.
You want to see the sauce?
Marinara.
Nope, you messed up, Tron. You bit. You bit first. Oh, you did too.
I did too.
Dirty dog. What? I bet you won't get no more.
Hey Daddy, guess what? You're built like an Elmo to the max. Things that turn dads on to the max. Mixed kids.
Are you recording right now?
So Tegan's still asleep. And
Tegan?
he's
I'm trying to go to McDonald's and get me a sweet.
I want a McFlurry.
It's so cold outside, it's hard to do it. Let me see your teeth and lips. Man, what'd you do?
8 blue cotton candy.
Oh, that's your cotton candy you ate from last night at the store. Look who decided to join the party. You eat gummies I got you last night at the store? Glad you finally got to enjoy them.
Got me feeling like for someone who really turn me on. Then I met you. Now I'm down to earth, that's salt and clear next to you. All my problems disappear, waiting for you. Years I met you. I met you. In my spaceship, counting sheep to fall asleep, dreaming about the day that someone would rescue me. Looking for someone who'd be the moon to my stars. Why does love always have to be this hard? It's got me feeling like looking for someone who
Got some boiled peanuts. Looks like
They smell weird, but that's occasional. They had those in our original.
go ahead, eat one. Let me see.
I don't know how to even do it.
You don't know how to do it. Put it in your mouth and eat it.
No, you gotta crack it.
No.
That tastes weird.
Looks like you're eating a turd.
Oh god, the juice squirted out. It's hot.
You hear me?
Oh, that's good.
Looks like you're eating a turd.
Yeah.
So we finally made it. We are. I thought the look. Did we make it, Tegan? Yeah. Yeah. Mama is a wimp, and she's still way down there. Wait. It was so hard. We walked like a million. Oh no, jeez no. Tegan. He should. I think he's trying to go find Mama. But when she comes back up here, then I don't know.
Boy, get over here. There's a bear over there, you better come on. You ready to go back down now?
No.
She ain't coming up here. My lungs is burning, oh my gosh.
I'm a really athletic, so.
I don't have no problem. My problem is this cold air going to my lungs. Yeah, I have no clue how steep and how high this is.
It is really high up. We literally walked like
Jimmy didn't even make it. It tells you how far we are. Almost made it back down to Tiffany. What's wrong, Tiffany? Why don't you join us? Why don't you join us up there? I'm telling y'all, up there. We ain't even halfway.
Like 1,000 feet higher than the other one.
Yeah, we ain't even back down. Get over here, Tegan.
No, seriously, my ears are popping.
I think the hike got to your mama traveling. Look, I think our hike got to your mom. What do you think?